Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Assassin's Creed Shadows is not opening or launching on PC. So first of all, you want to make sure that your graphic drivers are up to date. So for example, if you use NVIDIA, open up NVIDIA app. If you're using AMD, open up AMD and download the latest drivers. You also want to check for Windows Update if you are up to date and you want to update if not. Now, if you are on Steam, if you have Assassin's Creed on Steam, then you go to Library, find the game, right click on it, go to Properties, Install Files, and you want to verify integrity of the game files. On Xbox, it would be by going on the game, clicking three dots, Manage, Files, and Verify and Repair. And on Ubisoft, if you're using Ubisoft, again, Manage and Verify Files. It's basically the same. Now, if that didn't work, you want to go ahead on Install Files and Browse. So if you are on Steam, this is how it will look like. I have it here on Ubisoft Game Launcher. You want to go ahead, find exe file. So it would be on Games. Then you want to right click on the exe file, Properties, then Compatibility, and you want to run this program as administrator, apply and OK. If that didn't work, then you want to try run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Apply and OK and see if your problem is fixed. You also want to make sure that your game is running on GPU and not CPU. So you're going to click on Graphics Settings. On Graphics Settings, you will find the game and you want to make sure that it is on high performance right there. You also want to check virus and threat protection, and right there click on Manage Settings, Exclusions, add or remove exclusions, click yes, and here you want to add an exclusion, so just add the same exe file right there as an exclusion to the virus and threat protection. Now you also want to add it and allow to go through Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, allow an app, change settings, and simply add it right there if it's not here yet. Now the last thing you can try is on Task Manager, you want to close any background applications which are not necessary, and also like MSI Afterburner, Riva Turner, Discord, and so on and so forth. And you also, if you are on Steam, you want to disable Steam Overlay and also Discord one. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.